Alicia of Goals and Endurance Living. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to the channel. We're all about living life goldenly, and this is where I share with you my joys of travel, style, scents, DIY home decor, and all of the above and in between and beyond. So anyway, today I am about to head up to, there's a new SELFIE museum gallery that opened at so I'm gonna head up there. I got my selfie stick. They do offer ring lights and selfie sticks and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road and just come and join me for the day. All right, let's get going. Here you go. So finally found parking. So heading to the SELFIE museum. It's located in the Tandra Outlets. The full north side. So who else takes pictures of like where they park so they don't get lost coming on the way back? Alright, y'all, I don't even know how the footage came out because I didn't even check the settings on my camera when I started filming inside for the video, like, you know, behind the scenes. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me put some light on so you can see me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So I'm back in the car. I'm about to head home. It's 6:30. Before I left out, I grabbed some Starbucks, got me a little banana nut bread and a strawberry acai lemonade. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat on that. Yeah, so the displays were pretty good. Some of the things they could have changed out, but like more, not like adult, but I mean some of the stuff was somewhat kiddie. It's playful, but for the most part it was good. So I already reserved my spot for like 5 o'clock, and so you pay $40 for 1 hour, and if you wanted to rent a ring light, it's an extra 10. So I just rented a ring light because I wasn't liking my big old ring light from home. But it was fun. I feel like I got some good footage. I'm not a professional photographer, but I feel like I got some good footage for my tote bags. So I was doing a lot of photos for my tote bags. I'm gonna be having more on my website because it is dark. But until next time, guys, live life golden. Until next time, guys, live life goldenly, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know down below if you've gone to any type of selfie museum, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're doing any vlogging. Let me know the ones down below that you've gone to, especially if you're in the New York City area, New York City tri-state area. Let me know. But until next time, guys, live life goldenly. Bye.